In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your Facebook ads are running. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or someone just getting started with Facebook ads, understanding how to navigate through Facebook's ad manager is crucial for tracking the performance of your campaigns. I'll walk you through each step so you can confidently manage your ads. First up, you need to access the Facebook Business Manager. This is your command center for all things related to Facebook advertising and pages. To get there, simply type Facebook Business Manager into your favorite search engine or directly enter the URL if you have it bookmarked. Once you're on the Business Manager page, you'll see a Login with Facebook button. Click on this to proceed. This step is pretty straightforward. If you're not already logged into your Facebook account, you'll be prompted to do so. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the Business Manager you want to work with. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Business Manager dashboard. Here you might have multiple accounts listed if you manage ads for more than one business. Choose the account you want to work on today. Next, look for a sidebar menu at the lower left side of your screen. In this sidebar, you'll find an option labeled Ads. Click on it to dive deeper into the ad management section. Once you've clicked on Ads, you should see an option for Ads Manager. This is where the magic happens. Click on Ads Manager to access a comprehensive overview of your advertising campaigns. Now it's time to narrow down to the specific ads you want to check. To do this, go to the Campaigns tab. If you're unsure where this is, look for a direct link in the description below or in the video visuals to help guide you. The Campaigns tab is where you'll see all your ad campaigns listed. Once in the Campaigns section, locate and click on the Ads tab next to it. This will shift the view from your overall campaigns to the individual ads within those campaigns. It's a crucial step because it gives you a detailed look at each ad you're running. Finally, to check if your ads are currently running, look for the Delivery Status column. The status will clearly indicate whether an ad is on or off. This is an essential indicator of your ad's current state. If an ad is marked as on, it means that the ad is active and should be showing to your targeted audience. If it's marked as off, the ad is not currently being served. As you're checking the delivery status of your ads, keep in mind that there are several reasons an ad might be paused or not running, ranging from budget constraints, scheduling settings, or issues that need to be addressed based on Facebook's advertising policies. Always ensure your ad complies with Facebook's terms and guidelines to avoid unnecessary disruptions. Here are a few extra tips to enhance your ad checking routine. First, make checking your ad's delivery status a regular part of your advertising workflow, especially if you frequently adjust budgets or campaign settings. Second, familiarize yourself with additional data available in the Ads Manager, like performance metrics and audience insights. This data can give you valuable feedback on how to tweak your ads for better performance. Remember, learning how to navigate and utilize Facebook's Ad Manager effectively is a valuable skill for anyone looking to capitalize on Facebook's vast user base. It might seem overwhelming at first, but with practice it becomes much more manageable. Today's walkthrough is just the beginning. Explore more, experiment with your ads, and keep optimizing. That wraps up our step-by-step guide on how to check if your Facebook ads are running. I hope this video was helpful and has empowered you to manage your Facebook advertising campaigns more effectively. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on navigating the digital marketing landscape. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Happy advertising,